Hello learners, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we will be learning about the next HackerRank challenge, which is arithmetic operators. So let's read the task. The task is about the provided code stub reads two integers from standard input A and B. So we need to add code to print three lines, where the first line contains the sum of the two numbers. The second line will contain the difference of the two numbers, first minus second, and the third line will contain the product of the two numbers. Okay, so it's very easy. They will read the standard input from the two given input A and B, and what the output they want. First it should be 5 plus 3, which is 8. The next it would be a second, first minus second, so 3 minus 5 will come minus 2, and then third line will be the multiplication, which is 5 into 3, which is 15. So this is how, suppose the input is 3 and 2, so output will come 5 and 6. Why? Because 3 plus 2 is 5, then 3 minus 2 is 1, and 3 into 2 is 6. This is how it should come. So it's very easy. Let's don't waste time and write the code actually. Okay, so what I will be doing, it is taking A and B, right? So simply I will take print. It's easy, right? So we will be taking print A plus B, and the next would be print what it was, A minus B, and then next was print A into B. Okay, so that's it. Let's run the code. Okay, sample test case has passed. Now submit the code. Okay, so there were only two cases and it got passed, so congratulations, we got this.